Hello, in this video, Mr. Chua is going to use a pendulum to demonstrate to you what resonance is all about. But first, let him show you the difference between a free oscillation and a forced oscillation. Now, this is a free oscillation. Notice that Mr. Chua's right hand is not moving, it's just holding the string steady. The pendulum is swinging at its natural frequency, as dictated by its restoring force. Mr. Chua is now going to demonstrate to us a forced oscillation. Yup, that's it. You're looking at a forced oscillation. Notice that Mr. Chua's right hand is moving left and right. So Mr. Chua is providing a periodic driving force to the pendulum. And as a result, the pendulum is forced into oscillation, not at its natural frequency, but at the frequency of the driving force. Meaning the number of times the pendulum is moving left and right is the same as the number of times Mr. Chua's hand is moving left and right. Now, what do you say of the amplitude of this forced oscillation? It's nothing impressive, right? In fact, the amplitude of this forced oscillation is exactly the same as the amplitude of the driver. You get what I'm trying to say? The amount that the pendulum is moving left and right is exactly the same as the amount that Mr. Chua's right hand is moving left and right. Now, can we increase the amplitude of this forced oscillation? Maybe the driving frequency is too low, right? So Mr. Chua is going to increase the frequency of the periodic driving force now. So do you see Mr. Chua's hand jiggling at a pretty high frequency? And as a result, the pendulum is forced to oscillate at this same high frequency. But what about the amplitude? It's even worse now, right? The amplitude of the forced oscillation is basically zero. It's even less than the amplitude of the driver. So it looks like if we want the forced oscillation to have a large amplitude, the driving frequency mustn't be too low, it mustn't be too high. So what is a good frequency? Now watch this. This is more like it, right? So the forced oscillation is oscillating at the driving frequency, and its amplitude is many times the amplitude of the driver. This is called resonance. And resonance occurs when the driving frequency is not too high, not too low, but at the just nice frequency. Do you know what this special frequency is? The answer is at the very beginning of this video. Ta-ta!